Hello guys, today I'll show you how can you create a project in Upwork. So guys, make sure watch this video until the end. Upwork recently launched their service as Fiverr have, as people per hour have. So guys, make sure watch. I will show you the step-by-step process how can you create your first project. So for this you have to go here, you see find work, and you have to go my project dashboard. So first I want to share with you the profile I have created. This profile actually is a new profile and I got 80 connects free. I already submitted 3 proposals for the job, and this is actually available connects for my profile. This is actually brand new profile and I created 3 projects and they approved. I will show you create by another. Here you see I already approved 3 projects, so I will create another. After create a project, they actually go under review. When the review complete, they will approve or decline. So this is not actually same as Fiverr, because Fiverr, we know Fiverr we just submit and we can launch our project, but they have a review system. So for create a project you have to just click on your create project. Okay, so this is actually very similar to Fiverr. So if you create any Fiverr gigs, then this will be very familiar with you. Okay, so you have to select a title. So this is the title, project title. Tell the client what you will deliver and how it benefits them. So I already wrote down documents. Here you see I everything wrote down here. So this will be my title. I actually providing the influencer marketing service. Okay, so I will copy from them and go my project overview sections. Okay, I will paste here. You will get reach out Instagram and YouTube influencer. Okay, so you just give your title and then you have to select your project category. Just select. My category is influencer marketing. Okay, so influencer marketing. Okay, so here influencer marketing. So here already you see some bullet point have. So use case, narrow down the specializations. Okay, so I will do shoot on and promotion, because I will find some influencer for promotion. So this will be the perfect option. Okay, and then target audience. My target audience actually everyone, so I cannot select more than 2, so that's why I will click on other. And platform type, here you see another problem, because I will give this service for Instagram and YouTube, sometimes for TikTok, sometimes for Twitter, email or blogger. So any influencer I will manage for my client. Okay, so there we can actually only select a platform, so I will select Instagram. Okay, save and continue. And there we got 3 tiers like Fiverr have. Okay, so here we see delivery days. So I will of the 3 tiers I will only provide 1 service in this project. Okay, here I stop this, and delivery days will be 15 days, because this is not easy to convince some influencer for promotion, so it will take time. Audience size I will give something like this, 50,000. Okay, and number of posts, they must have 20% post in their profile. Okay, permanent post. Okay, so I will charge for this service 150 bucks. Okay, save and continue. And you have to select a thumbnail like Fiverr have. So I will select my thumbnail I already created for this tutorial. Okay, here, and you can create more thumbnail for 1 gigs. This will appear in the final project. Okay, so this will be cover picture. Okay, So I'll save and continue. So I want to mention another thing. So this is not actually look like Fiverr thumbnail size, so you have to make the thumbnail 4:3 ratio. Okay, just save and continue. So there are project descriptions. Okay, I already wrote down a description, so I'll copy from here and go the box and paste. Okay, service I offering. Descriptions too long. No. So see what I actually offering here: influencer marketing, influencer lead generation. Okay, so project step, what I actually give them final delivery. So I'll step this called name gold service. Okay, GOLD. So descriptions will be, see what I will give them: bring to targeted influencer that can convince some influencer to promote their product. So this is not easy, so that's why this service actually expensive little bit. Okay, so then save and continue. Then this is the requirement what you will need for the complete this order. So I will add a requirement. So this is not free text, this must have to client attach something. So what they have to attach here, I see what I actually wrote. So please submit your instructions and criteria to complete your order successfully. Thank you. So this is the requirement client have to follow. If they don't attach the file or requirement or criteria, this order won't be start. Okay, so this make sure you will do same, because when sometimes actually client order your service but they don't provide you the instructions and criteria, that's time actually very tough time to complete any order if you don't get the right criteria and instructions. So that's why you need something attachment called mandatory requirements. Okay, add. So this already added. So continue, save and continue. And this is the finalized so maximum number of simultaneous projects, so I can complete 5 projects at a time. Okay, here privacy notice. So everything you just write mark. Okay, and submit for review. So they will review your project. If this is the everything actually in under terms and conditions, they will actually approve your project. So see, this is pending approval. I just create this project. So if we go to preview, see how actually look like this project. So this is the project, you see guys, I created. You will get reach out Instagram and YouTube influencer. So the price actually 150, delivery time 15 days. So this is my profile. You see, if you look, influencer marketing strategist. So I am providing this service in Upwork. Okay, so this is the service. Final result will be the gold service. Here is the project step: bring 2 targeted influencer to your brand. And requirements, please submit your instructions and criteria to complete your order successfully. Thank you. So this is the final project. So if any client actually like this project and they buy, I have to complete this order within 15 days. So this is the way, guys, how can you create a projects in Upwork, a step-by-step guide. So if you find anything helpful from my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.